Yes, today we're gonna be making an experiment turning milk into plastic. Oh yes, we're turning milk into plastic. Yes, you've heard it here on my channel. First, we're gonna need a half a cup of milk in a glass bowl. Next, we're gonna need some vinegar. Then we're gonna need a clear bowl. Then a strainer to strain our milk and vinegar, a skewer, a spoon to stir, some food coloring, a cookie cutters, a paper towel. We're going to be adding food coloring into our milk, like so. Then we're going to get our spoon and start stirring. And then start stirring your food coloring and milk. And I have this set pre-recorded in fast time. Next, I'll be adding our vinegar into our milk, about a half a cup. And now watch the milk and the vinegar mix together and watch it curd as the milk separates and forming a liquid. Using a strainer, we're gonna mix the mixture into it so it could separate the curd away from the milk and vinegar. And what's left, we're gonna place it into our cookie cutter. So keep mixing until all the liquid is out. Next, using our cookie cutter, we're gonna use a spoon and use the excess that's left in the strainer and placing it into the cookie cutter of any shape and form that you have at home. I have the stars. And fill it up to the top. And then I'm going to pat it dry and put pressure to make it nice and flat. And then I'm going to flip it over and pat it dry with the paper towel as well, and continue patting until you get it nice and flat to remove all the excess moisture that's left. And here is the star. Come all the liquid out. I'm gonna use a skewer. I'm gonna make a little hole so I could hang it somewhere or decorate it in the end once I'm done. And we're gonna let this dry outside. With the skewer, I'm smoothing all the rough areas. But again, we're gonna take this outside and let it dry. Here you have it. Experiment turning milk into plastic. I had it drying outside for 1 to 2 hours. And if you have any questions why milk turned into plastic, come up with your theories. Bye.